It's a great pleasure and humility that we stand here this morning, having been granted audience by Her Royal Majesty to meet. I stand here as the Executive Secretary of the Honorary Consular Corps of Ghana and the secondary role as the Director of FICAC. With me this morning, FICAC stands for the International Federation of all honorary consuls globally. With me here this morning is the President of FICAC and a delegation of his board and key consuls around the world. We have come here to present a citation of the highest honor to our King, to come and recognize his good work and his exemplary conduct in traditional leadership, for what he has done on the global stage and the very, very, very high height that he's managed to take Ghana to. And we come here in humility and respect and appreciation for him. I would stop my address here or my conversation here and allow the President of FICAC, Honorable Nicholas Manaropoulos, to lead the delegation, and with your kind permission, we will go ahead and introduce the people on this team.
We are grateful for being granted this audience on behalf of the World Federation of Consuls and of the Honorary Consular Corps of Ghana. The World Federation of Consuls was founded more than 40 years ago. Its seat is in Brussels. It has been recognized by royal decree as an NGO with the European Union. We are recognized not only by the United Nations, but also by the Union of American States, the European Union, and other international bodies. We were invited by the Honorary Consular Corps of Ghana upon initiative of the Honorable Kwame Akwa to have a first Pan-African conference in Ghana. We came here to honor Ghana, but we realized that Ghana has honored us with all the attention that we have received by our colleagues, the honorary consuls in Ghana, a very active organization and a member of the World Federation of Consuls for many decades. Apart from the Honorable Dimitri Avram, the Dean of the Honorary Consular Corps in Ghana, in the past we have had the Dean Emeritus of the same body, the Honorable Amakaya Matefio, as a past Vice President for many years of the World Federation, so we're well acquainted with your country. And it was a great opportunity, and we're grateful for this special audience with His Royal Majesty the King, and it will be our pleasure to present him with a citation mentioned by the Honorable Kwame Akwa. Let me introduce the Secretary General of the World Federation of Consuls, the Honorable Purushottam Bagheria.
I am Purushottam Bagheria from New Delhi, India. I'm the Honorary Consul of the Republic of Moldova for India, and I'm also the Secretary General for FICAC, the World Federation of Consuls. Thank you.
My name is Dimitri Avram. I am the Dean of the Honorary Consular Corps of Ghana and the Honorary Consul General of the Kingdom of Belgium.
My name is Subi Akkad. I'm the Deputy Dean of the Honorary Consuls in Ghana, and I'm the Honorary Consul of Mexico in Ghana.
My name is Lasif Chowdhury. I represent Consulate of Chile in Bangladesh. I'm also the Vice President of FICAC. Thank you.
My name is Stefano Ramella. I'm the Honorary Consul of Italy.
My name is Hilton John Mitchell. I'm the Executive Member of the Honorary Consular Corps of Ghana and the Honorary Consul of Trinidad and Tobago.
My name is Luis Vela, and I represent the Republic of Malta in California, United States of America. And I am a Director on FICAC and the Dean of the United States Consular Corps.
My name is Ashok Moinani. I'm the Honorary Council of Uruguay to Ghana, and also an executive committee of the Honorary Council Corps in Ghana.
My name is Chaga Eric. I'm the Honorary Consul for Côte d'Ivoire in Rwanda. I'm Rwandan.
Good morning. My name is Nicolina Ano Ajay. I'm the Honorary Consul of New Zealand in Ghana.
I'm Maricel from Philippines, based here in Ghana, as Honorary Consul of the Philippines to Ghana.
I'm Albert, is from Philippines, sponsor of Maricel.
I'm Nikos Grigoriadis from Greece Entrepreneur.
Hello, my name is Marcos Moulin. I represent the Republic of Seychelles in the Republic of Slovenia, and I am a director of FICAC World Federation of Consuls.
Good morning, Your Majesty. My name is Denis van den Wegen. I'm the Honorary Consul of the Kingdom of Belgium to the Republic of Kazakhstan, the founder and president of the Association of Honorary Consuls in Kazakhstan, the head of the Central Asian Committee for FICAC, and the founder and president of the Benelux Chamber of Commerce in Kazakhstan. Thank you.
Leadership and traditional diplomacy in championing peace and upholding democratic values. This 30th day of May 2023.
This is we call it in the Philippines compass.
Excellencies, I thank you very much for this courtesy call. Please sit down. And the honor that you've just bestowed on me.
Zoom.
I know with your appointment as consuls for various countries that you represent, it takes quite a duty for the country to appoint you unless you're a man of dignity.
Zoom.
And I believe strongly that in those various positions that you hold, looking after the interest of the various countries that you are, the experiences I have with Kwame, I have with Stefano, and then my son there,
Zoom.
I know that they look after the interest of the countries that they represent.
Zoom.
And therefore, I know you're all doing that duty to engage in to inure to the benefit of the countries that you represent.
Zoom.
So I thank you very much for deciding to honor me with this, even though I'm not a consul, because I was not privileged to be appointed as such.
Zoom.
At least today, you made me feel that I'm also a consul.
Zoom.
Even though I don't have a country that I represent. And I'm a consul representing Ghana for the world.
Zoom.
So it's such an honor when my office informed me that you decided to bestow me during your conference here in Ghana to travel to Kumasi to pay me this homage.
Zoom.
I would cherish this honor that you've given to me today, and I would also pray that in your duties as you perform, it will bring honor to yourselves and to the country that you represent. Also, those who have come from afar to Ghana, I believe strongly that you felt the hospitality of Ghanaians today. And I believe strongly that tourism and everything would inure manifest from this whilst you become advocates for Ghana. The experiences that you have here will then inure to the benefit of our two countries that we represent. Those who are in Accra performing their duties, I believe strongly that this is not going to be the first visit, but I will see you the more. And then those also who are traveling, I wish you a safe journey back, but with the memory that you came to visit me and the honor that you bestowed on me would still be cherished. So I thank you very much for this visit, and I welcome you all to Kumasi. Thank you very much.